Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate a sketch of whatever image that you have using ChatGPT newest image generator. So once you head over to ChatGPT and log into your account, you will see on the upper left hand side that there is a new feature called images, right? Now, all you have to do is click on that and you will have these options right here. You can click on them and there's a lot more as well. You can use right or left arrow to actually see what's there. But today we're going to focus on generating a sketch. And as well, once you click on these are, let's say, pre-built prompt that you can just basically click on along with adding your image, and it's going to generate a sketch for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on sketch right here, and you're going to see right here that it pops up and say that you need to choose your photo. I'm going to go ahead and choose a photo from my computer. Let me head into the downloads right here, and let's use an image of, actually let's use the image of this baby here, this baby me. let's call it like that. This is a baby me. I've used the AI to generate some picture, and as you can see right away that it comes up with its own prompt, right? And so these are like pre-built prompt that are there that basically you will use to generate an image. So all you have to do is select the type of image you want and just basically upload your image, and it's going to do its thing. And as you can see right here, it's currently generating, and let's wait for it. I'm going to show you in a couple of seconds what that does, because I've been testing these different prompts for a while, guys, and I'm telling you, ChatGPT is doing a really good job. Let's check it out. Wow, that's look like it's coming really nice. I'm just waiting for it to be visible so that we can see what it looks like. Oh man, look at that. It's amazing. And the cool thing about it, you can see that the kid looked like it's in a book and then is also sketching himself on that. I think this is amazing picture, guys. I think it's really cool. I love it. Really love that. Let's click on it and see it larger. Well, it looks like this, but if you want to download it, you can see in the upper right that it says that you can click on save. And as well, if you're inside the image as well, you will see that you have the download arrow right here that you can click download as well. So I'm going to click on download and download it. Let's have a look at this, and I'm going to maximize it as well. Look at that. Now you tell me, guys, isn't this cool? I think it's amazing, and I really think you should go try out this feature in ChatGPT. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to create your own sketch of yourself or for whatever image that you have, check out this feature in ChatGPT. It's called images, right? Or let's call it the image generator. And you have all of these amazing prompts, features here that you can just select, put in your image, and basically allow the AI to do its thing. It's amazing. So that's basically it for this video, guys. This is how you can create a sketch of an image using ChatGPT. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a like, hit that subscribe button if you're new to my channel. I'm Andrew, and looking forward to see you guys in the next video.